Okay, from here, this is, I'm not sure which video this is, but we're going to disassemble the butterfly valve from the boost chamber. So you're going to need an internal snap ring pliers. This one is an adjustable one, so you can do external snap rings or internal snap rings. And it has an adjustable length jaws. You can put in different tips for different types of things that, different types of snap rings, and you can adjust the depth. So it really helps for reaching all the way in, because you have to reach about this far into the boost chamber in order to get the snap ring out. So inside here there is a snap ring, and I'll try to show you with a flashlight here. You can see the snap ring head right there. We're going to remove that, and then that butterfly assembly is going to come out.